Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to extend any image with AI. So the first thing we want to do is go to our Google Chrome and type in Runway ML. So I'm going to create a quick account. So it says here you can input your email or login, or you can log in with Google, Apple. Alright, so I'm going to log in with Google. Alright, so we're in, and right here you can create. So we have a free plan, so we have about 100 credits. So let's see what we can do. So the next thing you want to do after logging in is click on generate images. So you want to go to infinite images right here. Okay, so just click on infinite image. All right, here we are. So we're gonna upload our image. So right here we have download, we have, so to input a new image, you click on this add image button right here. All right, so upload from computer. All right, so we have a new image. So what we want to do is make sure we this green box right here. What you want to do is you want to place it on the image you want to generate. Okay, so but you want to make sure you don't place it outside the image like this. All right, you want to make sure it's close to the image. Part of the box is on the image and other part is outside the image. So we're going to input whatever we want outside the box, outside the image. Okay, so I'm going to input trail generate. All right, here we are. So as we can see, this is really nice. Okay, so we have an option to select different images. Okay, so you can, if you're good with this image, you can select it, or you can click on this arrow to change to the next image. This is another one. We have another one right here, and we have another one right here. So I think this first one makes so much sense, so I'm going to leave it at this, accept. Then we're going to generate another image to cover up the whole picture. So train then we'll click on generate. All right, so as you can see, the image has generated. Okay, so like I said earlier, you can change it. If you don't like the first image, you can change it. You can change it to whatever image you want. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one, then I'll accept. So I've generated my image. So once you're done generating the whole image, you want to click on, all right, there's enough space for you to bring your box and generate more images. So but for me, I'm done. So right here you can download your image. So I'm going to download it. All right, you see, or you can save it as assets. Okay, you can enlarge it right here and you can reduce. All right, so this is the simplest way to extend any image with AI. All right, so if you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.